Hello everyone, have a nice day. Welcome to Roptelsa Vlogs. This vlogs is about the weather for today right here from Zurich Islands in Switzerland. Hello guys, good morning. This is Roptelsa. I am right here in the bus stop here. It's too early to go to my work, so I have to wait here. So for the moment I'm here, very cold because today is raining and snowing. So this is the overpass here. This is the Glove Center. So dito ako nagtatambay guys. Ito yung aking bag ko. At saka yung aking trolley. So it's so cold. Kailangan ng jacket doble-doble. So dito tayo, pakita ko sa inyo yung background dito. Ito supermarket dito guys sa gilid. So dito ako nagtatambay. So guys, this is my Swiss daily travel vlog. This is my daily travel routine. Traveling from home, going to the city. So from the Zurich Highlands, mula sa kabundukan ng Switzerland, maglalakbay papunta sa syudad para papasok sa trabaho. So traveling from the highlands of Switzerland, going down to the city to go for my work in the hotel. So this is my daily routine as a traveler and as a worker right here from Zurich, Switzerland. So it's not easy. Life here is not easy guys. Ang akala ng iba, pag nasa abroad, masarap ang buhay, maraming pera, pero hindi basta-basta. Life here abroad, anywhere, in any part of the world, life is not easy. We need to work to get up early and catch up the train or bus, whatever type of transportation, so that we can go to the city to attend for our work in order to earn money for our living. Especially here in Switzerland, the cost of living is very expensive guys. Switzerland is one of the most expensive country. So although the rate of the salary here is more higher compared to the other European countries, but comparing to other countries, Switzerland is expensive. So we have to work double time if ever possible, as long as to pay all our bills. Hindi po basta-basta. Kasi ang akala ng taga-Pilipinas, mayaman, maraming pera kasi nandito daw sa Switzerland. Hindi po pinapalaginapiko ang mga pera dito sa snow. So kahit nag-snow, even it is snowing, raining, snowstorm, you have to go down. If you are living from the high mountains, you have to go down to the city in order to go for work, para magkapera in order to earn money. So that's life guys. So it's not easy thinking, oh, my brother, my sister is in Switzerland, they have too much money and they are not sending us here. Oh my gosh. So kayo na lang ang pumunta dito guys, magtatrabaho. Just imagine, from the high mountains, bababa ka. Galing sa kabundukan, bababa ka. Mag-commute, mag-train, mag-bus. Ilang stopover ng train para lang makarating sa city center. So, sinasabi ko lang guys para malaman nyo kung ano talaga ang buhay dito sa Switzerland. Tingnan nyo naman nasa itaas pa tayo, pababa tayo guys para makarating doon sa pinakasentro ng syudad. Kahit pa umulan, bumagyo ng snow, sikapin talaga na makababa para magtrabaho. Kahit magkasipon, magkaubo, we tried our best to go for work in order to earn for our living. So this is the life of a Filipina, sharing my life as a Filipino workers right here from Zurich, Switzerland. So this is just what is this? Bird's eye view of how is Switzerland looks like, living from the highlands and going down to the city. So kung wala kang sasakyan, maglalakad ka dyan guys, dyan sa bulubunduki na snow para lang talaga makababa. Naglalakad ako mula sa tuktok ng aming tinitirhan. Kahit nag-snow, bababa ako dun sa baba para mag-aabang ng train papunta doon sa syudad. More than 1 hour ako naglalakbay, nagbabiyahe ng train para lang makarating sa aking trabaho sa Zurich City. So, hindi po ako nagyayabang guys, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung dinadaanan ko sa araw-araw. So ngayon, taglamig pa rin kahit spring season, nag-snow at nag-uulan. Kaya doble ingat para hindi magkasakit even though it is snowing, raining, but we have to take care of ourselves in order to be safe and to keep healthy in order to continue our mission in life, to work in order to earn for our living. So, thank you for watching this vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching the beauty of the nature full of snow. This is the Zurich Highlands. So this is the view from above, from the Zurich Highlands going to the city center of Zurich City. So pababa tayo. It's like a zigzag road going down to the lower part. So right now this is the weather for today. It's April spring season, but it's still snowing and a mix of rain. That is why it's still cold here. Maganda lang tingnan yan guys, pero pag nandito ka na, magsasawa ka rin sa lamig. If you will be here, you will give up if everyday snowing or everyday feeling cold kasi magkakasakit. So you will get used to it when you are already living in this country. But even though if you are already living for how many years here, but we cannot escape if we will caught by the illness, by the cough and cold. So we have to wear extra jacket, winter cap and shawl, and a better shoes or boots, and hand gloves in order to keep our body warm and to avoid become sick. Okay guys, so until here, hasta la vista. Terima kasih, Everesto Puli, buhut-buhut, syukriya, damkishun, merci beaucoup, maraming salamat, syukran jasilan to everyone who is watching this premiere. ST watching my vlog. This is me, Raptelsa, sharing my Swiss travel daily routine right here from Switzerland. See you again in my next vlog. Bye bye and happy weekend to everyone. Take care. God bless. And again, thank you for supporting Raptelsa Vlogs. So if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. So if you want to watch my other videos, just click on my playlist and you can find my a cappella singing, my DIY tutorials, and many other